Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the AprilAire 4897 frame kit for non-AprilAire air cleaners, measuring 16 by 25 or 20 by 25. Included in the kit are 2 frame bases, 4 frame supports, 1 door label, and detailed installation instructions. This kit allows you to upgrade to an AprilAire MERV 13 filter, replacing the existing filter media or collector cells. By upgrading an existing disposable filter, you can improve the filtering efficiency and store 5 or more spare AprilAire filters in the same space as one of the original filters. Or, if you're replacing electronic collector cells, you'll no longer need to clean the cells on the monthly basis. When installing in a 16 by 25 size unit, you'll need to purchase the 613 filter media, and for the 20 by 25 size units, you'll need to purchase the 813 filter media. These filters are not included with the frame kit. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.